What I miss most when schools are closed is having the opportunity to have motivational speakers come to school to give us talks that actually leave a positive impact in our lives, where in most cases at home, parents give us the talks only when we do mistakes, but here in school it's such a blessing to have them come occasionally.
What I missed most when schools were closed is the social interaction between students and teachers. I mean, who wouldn't miss that deskmate who will tap you just to smile at it?
What I missed most while schools were closed was that chemistry lesson, practical in the laboratory, or a class whereby the teacher corrected me when I made a mistake. That is what I missed most.
What helps me to learn here at school is the competition, because there are so many people who are really competing in what they are doing in their studies. So even if you're not willing to study, everyone around you is doing the right thing, so you just find yourself doing what everyone is doing.
What makes me to learn? School activities like sports. Sports makes my mind active. So when it comes to reading, I find it like I'm grasping things rapidly. It makes my mind active.
What helps me to learn is practical real-life examples. For example, when we are taken during fieldworks, during the geography lesson, and also group discussions with friends really helps to improve your academic performance.
What helps me to learn is the support that I receive from my parents, my teachers, and also my friends, plus also the attitude of the administration towards education. For instance, our school motto is self-discipline promotes excellence.
In my school and in the community, I would like for them to find a way in which they can solve their financial problems with their parents without having to send their children home, because the children are missing a lot.
The changes that I would love to see in my school is that I would like to see more emphasis being put on the STEM subject, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. But also we should not sideline the art-related subjects, because that will give students a chance to showcase their talents.
A change that I want to see in my community is the mentality of underrating girl child education to be eradicated.
One of the things that makes it difficult for girls to learn and do well in school is poverty. The level of poverty might not even allow the girl to come to school, because the parents would rather go for basic needs instead of education for the girl.
In future, I would like to be a lawyer so that I can defend those people who are not able to defend themselves. I would also like to be in a better financial position so that I can support and sponsor those children who are not able to pay their fees.
My aspirations for the future are to see the youth at the forefront, championing for change and actually contributing to that change. I would like to see equal opportunities for everyone, that even that student in the deepest part of Turkana will have the same exact opportunities that a student in Upper Hill has.
His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, I would want to thank you for the good works you are doing for this country. I want to urge on the introduction of programs and seminars to young students so as to enable them to embrace their confidence and determination. I would also want you to increase the introduction of Kenyan schools and the outside schools so that socialism may be increased. Little network, little gain, whereas big network, big gain. Thank you.
Mr. President, I would like you to finance more on educational sector so as we can have enough facilities at our schools so as to improve our education. And also, I would like you to provide girls with sanitary towels to give them more time at school.
Mr. President, I'd like to request that laws under child protection should be made more strict and that it should be everyone's responsibility.
This is my heartfelt request to you, Mr. President, that you may help make school a memorable place. And this will be through providing improved or even the best infrastructure in the education sector, and also allowing for the best and most qualified teachers to be in our schools. This will allow each and every child's heart to be met with the greatness and the impact of education. Thank you.